Hello Betty Safari family, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you something totally different. A mother of two boys, I've decided to make an activity box homemade at home, which is very fun because I'm doing with these boys, like they're helping me. So it's very easy. This is one of the shelf, the door of one of the shelf I've just taken out. I've collected different things from home. This is a wheel, so you can see I just put it in. And this is a doorbell, like a doorbell for them. I've got some different zip. I will just put it here so it's easier for the fine motor skill for the baby to open and close it. And we have a safety belt so that you can see, so it's not going the whole belt, but it's more the opening and closing system. So open and close. So I'm just going to place it somewhere, and Tembo is choosing where he wants things for his brother to be. And we have also something is for opening and closing. I will just put it somewhere like here, and I will make a small door. And for the sensory motor skills, I've decided to work with these boxes, which are very nice and unique. But do you know where I get them? I guess none of you knows. So when you finish, when the wet wipes, they are done, they are finished. So I always cut them out. So this is the end results, and I'm going to just place it here, place like a sponge here. So when the baby he opens and he see what is inside, he can feel and he can see what color it is. So I'm going to have different structures. So this is soft and have the roughness, a rough one. I am using 2 kinds of glue. So I'm using all-purpose glue, and I am using my best friend. Ine, kijk eens. Ine, hoe is ja? Zo. Ga ik deze gebruiken? Ik wil glue. Oh no. Hallo. Stick to us. We need to glue you people so that you can stick to baby Betty Safari, yeah? So this is the end result of activity board. It's very basic because this is what I want for my children, but I will keep on updating now and then when I get things that are more interesting for them, because you have to look what they really like. My kids, especially the young one, he's more attracted with the light, so that's why we have 2 lamps. He likes to close, open, close, open, close. So we have the zip, and we do have like for the door, for the hinges. So it's nice for him, he can just play around. So you open and then you close, and it's done. And with the zip, now it's not yet dry, I have to wait. And for the sensory, so we have this one, it's quite soft, and we have on the other side, it's quite rough, so he can feel the difference, the structures. So I'm just going to update more and more. This is very nice for spinning, so they need to get dry. Oh, they're falling off, but anyway, I need not to do anything. And for the thermometer especially, that is warm, and the wheel. for watching this video on about how to make activity boards for the babies or toddlers. It's very simple because you need to collect things that you already have in the house. The only thing that you might not have is these gadgets, which is very important and very handy, but you don't have to use it when the kids are next to you. So it's very useful. And the next thing that you need is all-purpose glue. It's very friendly for the children, so that's okay, but the children are not supposed to touch. So I hope you enjoyed watching it and you're going to reproduce what I've just taught you how to do it. And I can't wait to see other videos of other mummies who have made activity boards for their children. Bye!